On this episode, we're going to take a look at a cutie.
Talking about me, Dad?
She is cute. This is my daughter Sam. She was a bit smaller last time she was on with me. No, I'll say it a bit slower. A QT. That is a quick tip. So, with no further ado, I'm Dave TTC. This is Dave's Cave, Australia. Let's get to it. So for this episode, we're going to have a look at quick tip number 1, how to copy. And as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right, so turning our attention to the screen here. All right, so now we want to have a look at how do we make a copy. Well, we could highlight it, Command C, Command V, and I hit V a couple of times, we have ourselves various copies. And that's great. That's one way to make a copy. Let's have a look at another way to make a copy. We will delete them. We can highlight what we've got there, and we can jump into here and just a little bit slower again. So this is your grid array, this 9 squares over on the side there, depending how you've got your search bar set up, but in my case I have it over on the side. And then you've got columns, you can add them there, and you've got rows, you can add them there. Now it's a bit of a mess because we've got the spacing set at 10 mil. Well, my coasters are typically 100 mil, so let's add that to 100. And our Y spacing, we'll make that 100. And I'll only fit a total of 16 on my grid. And there we have 16 copies done nice and quickly. Hope you enjoyed that. On another episode, we'll have a look at different ways to move things around, to align things. Once again, please like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one.